Peter Aitken. I'm the organiser of ScotlandJS. This is our first workshop of the conference. It's a Web Audio Hack Day.
Wrapper, and then we turned someone else from the library to drive the launchpad. The Web Audio API is a pretty new technology that allows you to generate real-time sounds in the browser without any additional help, and that's very exciting.
We tried to create basically a game of Pong that somebody that was visually impaired or blind could play. So the idea was using audio as an indicator on where the ball was and where you need to track the little paddle to in order to play the game, so anyone can play it.
I've been really enjoying working with JavaScript, and I really want to bring in my JavaScript skills. This seemed like a really good way to do that, and to meet some interesting people and to learn from some people who've got better experience than me.
Web audio bundles a bunch of different things to affect the sound that you can put into the chain between your guitar and the output. And I really just wanted to see what they sounded like, to see if they potentially make music with my guitar with. And yeah, it's all right.
So I'm interested in interactions with audio, so I wanted to explore how the Web Audio API could open up opportunities for easy interactions with sound on the internet and just making it more accessible to the public.
Today I've been trying to develop a system that would create a generative music ambience based on the microphone input of the computer.
I'm just seeing if I can get something that plays like little synth sounds to work. Before today I couldn't really write JavaScript at all, and just being thrown, like having something fun to try and do with it, like make music, is quite a good incentive to make stuff happen.
The vibe at this event is generally very techy. There's a lot of engineers here, developers here, architects, but also nice people, and I think that makes obviously a big difference to a conference like this.
I've had many first-time encounters with people I've known from online already, which is also very nice. It's always good to kind of know people from the internet and then see them physically and have them present around you and get into conversations, and so it's really good.
It's a nice atmosphere. It's a good size, and the kind of single track with a discussion track I think worked really well last year, so I'm looking forward to seeing it work this year.
The organisers and the staff that take part and the people that attend, I think really give it quite a unique vibe and a unique feeling. And Edinburgh has that kind of, it's kind of a festival kind of city anyway, so you get that feeling as well when you visit. So yeah, I think just those things combined really make it a really interesting, fun experience to attend.
Well, first of all, it's awesome because I finally found where the Brits hid the mountains. So they just pulled them all the way up here, and awesome landscape. Edinburgh is a really fantastic city.
I love the surroundings, of course, the mountains and hills, and Edinburgh is super lovely and gorgeous, and I love being here. My first time in Scotland, it's brilliant.
I saw ScotlandJS as an opportunity to visit one of my places on my bucket list and figure somebody else can pay for it.
The building here is lovely. I only got here this morning, unfortunately, because I was down in Newcastle yesterday, but it's a really nice place. I got in on the train about 11 and just driving through, like, I love Edinburgh. Like, the castle's fantastic.
Wow, this is such an amazing place, amazing country to come to. So I immediately started looking for excuses to come back. So that coupled with some really good reviews of ScotlandJS last year really encouraged me to come along.
The conference has been great so far, and I'm looking forward to whiskey tasting tonight.
whiskey. So that's, you'll see, if you look at the sheet in front of you, the whiskies are numbered.
The whiskey event itself is legendary. It was done last year, and I think the attendance this year was immense. I've been speaking to my colleagues about it, and people are buzzing about it.
It's always a really good, exciting conference with a lot of great speakers and a good like, international participation as well, which is really good.
I think the 20-minute talks are what sort of makes it. It's not too long, you haven't got enough time to drift off, and it's not too overwhelming. I think so much new stuff.
I've been really pleased so far with the focus on things beyond the kind of the normal kind of technical talk. So in particular, focus on accessibility. I found very refreshing.
And what brings me back every year is the speakers, the attendees, the event itself, the location. From the business point of view, the opportunity to have a presence and a brand awareness with this sort of place, with this culture, with these people.
I'm probably one of the few people here who can't actually do much JavaScript coding. I'm at uni at the moment doing a postgrad master's in composing music for films and games and that sort of stuff, so music for things with a visual content, I guess.
It's a way to share knowledge to the rest of the ecosystem, not coming here not to sell companies, APIs or so on, but just show that we care and that we want to share knowledge as well.
But 2 days of fantastic talks, fantastic discussions, meeting fantastic people, and then followed up at the code retreat today, which has been fantastic. Everybody's really leapt in, even though a lot of people don't really know test-driven development and never paired before. Some people are not even familiar with JavaScript. But yeah, it's been a joy, absolute joy.
Everybody was so friendly, it was like a real community, and I think it was maybe the fourth edition, and it's so nice to see how an event keeps growing and people are coming back, and now it was really, I don't know, you feel a bit at home.
Learning something new is awesome. There's cool new tools out there, it's what makes the world work. And I think the third takeaway would be that the Hasselhoff is here, he is real, and he is awesome.
You hear the Hasselhoff. The Hasselhoff, he's got your back, he keeps you motivated. He gives you the second wind, and you're like, yes, thank you, Hasselhoff. Not only did you bring down the Berlin Wall, you're helping me mount Arthur CDES.
Probably meeting all these cool new people. It's talking to people and just sharing experiences and learning new perspectives.
Oh, there's been so many standout moments. It's mostly been the individual connections with people, meeting new people for the first time, getting help through problems that I've been having myself. Just the fact that everybody's been really open and friendly and welcoming. Probably that over anything else.
I come to the ScotlandJS next year because Scotland's beautiful, we've got sunny weather here, and the venue's amazing, and the people are very friendly, and we didn't vote the Tories in as well.
Definitely do it. Whiskey tasting.
I'm so glad I came. It's been absolutely phenomenal the last couple of days.
And one last thing, I want to thank Pete and all of the organizers. Pete, you're the best, you're awesome. Without you, ScotlandJS could have never happened. Thank you so much.